Welcome to My Quilts App tutorial. This is part of a series of tutorials showing you how to use the My Quilts app and how to navigate the various features that it offers. Today, we're going to show you how to use the new cheat sheets that were just uploaded in the latest update of the My Quilts app. When you first open the app, you're going to come up here to the top drop-down, the home drop-down button. When you click on it, there's now a new option which says cheat sheets. If you select cheat sheets, it'll bring you to a new page, and these are all the various cheat sheets that we offer that include calculators and charts. So let's dive into one and I can show you what it looks like. We're going to start with half square triangles, very common block used in lots of quilts. There are different types of half square triangles. You can do a single half square triangle, 2 at a time, 4 at a time, 8 at a time. We're going to go into the 8 at a time half square triangles. At the top, you're going to see a block that looks like a calculator and has a tab for a chart. So in this calculator, you can select any of the entry fields and select a size. So let's go with 2.5, and it will automatically fill in the rest of the sizes so that you now know I need a 2.5 finished half square triangle, which means I need to cut my squares at 7.5 inches, and all of them are going to be 3 inches before I trim them down. And you're going to get 8 of those at a time. So this is a super helpful, awesome calculator. And if you prefer to look at the chart, you can click on the chart tab and you can just see all of the different calculations. You'll also notice under the calculator and charts that there are some instructions and images. These are just a helpful tool to show you exactly what you're supposed to do when you're following the instructions to make that certain block. So if we go back and back again, you'll find the same thing in most of these other places. So flying geese, there's individual flying geese or 4 at a time, no waste. Here's your calculator, here's your chart, and again below you'll find the instructions and diagrams to go along with it. We also have curves right here to show you how to do quarter circles, semicircles, and inset circles. Again, calculator or chart and instructions with diagrams. One of the things that I hear a lot of people needing or using is a fabric requirements calculator. We have backing and binding options to help you figure out what you need and what will work best with your project. Again, calculator or chart. And when we go back, there's also common blocks. So these are all common blocks in lots of traditional quilting patterns. Abbreviations, and some other helpful tools like yards to inches, bed sizes, and needles, which is kind of a fun thing to put in there. So that is our cheat sheets, and you can just go back to your home page right there at the top and always have that accessible at the tip of your fingers. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you get lots of use out of it the way I do. And that's all for today. Thanks.